Welcome to the Garden of Suds. Make sure you subscribe. In this video we are making an orange poppy soap. Let's go ahead and start this off by temping the lye and the oil. We want it roughly about within 5 degrees of each other. Add it together and using the stick blender, blend it together roughly around 5 to 6 minutes. We're looking for a light trace. After you blend in the oils and the lye, let's go ahead and add some yellow mica, and then we're going to go ahead and blend in the yellow mica. This yellow mica didn't just stay yellow, it turned into an orange after mixing it in with the lye. Just a heads up, make sure if you're not comfortable with adding mica to soap and you can confirm that's going to stay that color, make sure you test it out. Create little batches of lye with coconut with oil and just add a little bit of the mica to it. Next we're going to go ahead and add a sweet orange essential oil to give this a wonderful, lovely sweet orange scent, as well as obviously the color. This thing is, while I'm mixing this, it smells great. It looks wonderful. After we mix this in for, I'm going to say probably about 30 seconds to a minute, we're going to go ahead and add the black poppy seeds to it. Now, I didn't have too much poppy seeds, but I didn't want to add all of it. And you know, don't use your stick blender when you're mixing in the poppy seeds, or your stick blender will cut and mince and blend up the poppy seeds to where it's no longer a seed, it's more like, you know, floating seeds. Then we're gonna go ahead and place down the choosing mold, you know, the mold you prefer. I chose to use this log mold, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to it. And after you add your soap to the mold, grab the mold and kind of tap it down and remove as much air bubbles as possible. I ended up spraying it with some rubbing alcohol, and the rubbing alcohol, with certain soaps, it seems to leave kind of a rough edge on top, as well as messes up the top. So here we go. We're gonna go and pull it out, unmold it, and see. After pulling out the soap from the mold, you're gonna see on how beautiful this soap was. This soap took probably roughly about 3 days to about a week for it to harden, because of the mold, and also because it rained while it was doing the hardening process. So if you did the log mold like what I ended up doing, go ahead and put it in the soap cutter and cut it up. The soap cutter here cuts the soap roughly about 1 inch. If you want it more than that, then obviously take it out of the mold, mark it with a ruler, with just a little slice of the knife. Now you can see the poppy seeds and this soap look amazing. The soap smells amazing, and let's go ahead and test on how much suds we can actually get from it. So hey, this is the Garden of Suds. So real quick, do me a favor, jump down in those comments, like this video, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Until next time.